In this video, I'm gonna show you how to check Instagram app version on Android. So let's get started. If you are experiencing issues with your Instagram app or missing out on new features, then it might be time to update your app to the latest version. But how can you check which version you are currently using? Just keep watching the video to find the Instagram app version on Android devices. First, open Settings app on your Android phone. Now scroll down and tap Apps. This is the place where you will find all the installed apps on your device. Now find Instagram. Tap to open. On the app info screen, scroll down and you will find the version number of the Instagram app installed on your phone. The other way to find the app version is simply long press on app icon and then in the pop-up tap I icon. This will open app info screen directly. So that is how you can check Instagram app version on Android. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.